So this is BJ again from the floor of the SEMA show 2019, talking about the Go Rhino Element Series bumper. The Element Series bumper, unlike our winch-ready bumpers, is a non-winch bumper, but it fits really tight and close to the body, which gives you a real sporty look. In addition to that, it also comes in a modular fashion where the center section and the side sections actually bolt together, so it ships together in a UPS box. In addition to that, we'll have two versions. We'll have a non-lighted version, and then of course we'll have the lighted version, which gives you the 12 volt, the same 12 volt actuator that we use in our Sport Bar 2.0, and allows you to put a single or a double 20-inch LED light into the bumper, and then hide it when you need it, have it when you want it. So in addition to the clean and tight look that you get with the Element bumper, one of the other things that we want to point out is that we have full D-ring tow hooks, but rather than protruding from the front of the bumper, they're actually a reverse tow hook D-ring, which gives it a really clean look and allows you to use a tow strap or a D-ring if you want, but gives you that really clean, tight Sport Bar look.
If you like this video, make sure you check out the rest of our product showcase series, as well as our Hot or Not series and our daily SEMA highlights.